you're an animal. Baby, it's in your nature. Just let me liberate you. You don't need no papers. That man is not your maker.
Question what the TV tells you. Question what a pop star sells you. Question mom and question dad. Question good and question bad.
Within the prison, officers have been abusing women, and they have been basically coercing them or forcing them to have sex with them in order to trade that activity for goods that they need.
I know you want it. I know you want it. I know you want it. Good girl. Can't let it get past me. You're far from plastic. Talking about getting blasted.
It's in our society. Down to the girl who she would be. 'Cause all my life I've tried to find what history has given me.
It's kind of scary to know that this kind of behavior happens behind closed doors. It adds insult to injury. These women get locked away, and then on top of that, they have to deal with these abuses, and they have to negotiate using sex in order to get the goods that they need.
All this time was fighting for what I believe. All my life I've tried to hide what history has given me.
Nothing like your leg guy, he too square for you. He don't smack that ass and pull your hair like that. So I jail watch, hand wait for you to salute and chew, did pimp. Not many women can refuse, did pimpin'. I'm a nice guy, but don't get it confused.
This guy all of a sudden, like out of the blue, just walked into my cell. I was laying down and I was like, I got really scared. He told me like, take your clothes off, and I, sort of like I complied because I felt like I had to, because I felt if I didn't that he would do something really bad to me. So I just did.
I know you want it. I know you want it.
I just I just felt disgusted.
Must wanna get nasty. Go ahead, get it.
I wanted to cry, but I didn't know if that was a sign like something else could happen to me.
History could set you free from who you were supposed to be. It's sex in our society. Didn't tell a guy who he should be. 'Cause all my life I've tried to find what history has given me.
It got to the point where I was actually scared for my life, and I told my attorney that I thought I couldn't make it out alive. I did make it out alive, but not before I was sexually assaulted again by an officer. In the middle of the night, I was trying to use a phone, and he pulled me off into the staff bathroom, where he forced my clothes off of me and told me he would kill me if I told anyone.
I know you want it. I know you want it.
Question what a pop star sells you.
Hustle gang, homie.
Must wanna get nasty.
Let go. I say, Rob.
Go ahead,
Let me holler like
I can't even describe the shame, because I felt that I could never erase that page in my life ever. That page will continue to come back and haunt me over and over again.